Welcome to Digitech Dynamo. Today, we're building a magnet detection system using an Arduino, a 3144 Hall effect sensor, and an I2C LCD. Let's see how it works and why it's both fun and useful. This project detects when a magnet is brought close to the 3144 Hall sensor. The sensor sends a signal to the Arduino, and the LCD displays whether a magnet is detected, along with a simple yes/no and a value percentage. Here are the components you'll need. Arduino UNO 3044 Hall effect sensor, 10K ohm pull-up resistor important for stable output, 16x2 I2C LCD, a small magnet, breadboard, and jumper wires. The out pin of the Hall sensor is connected to digital pin 2 on the Arduino. A 10K ohm resistor is placed between VCC and out to keep the signal stable. The LCD is connected via I2C, which makes wiring simple and clean. The code initializes the LCD and reads the sensor state continuously. If a magnet is detected, the LCD shows magnet yes and value 100%. Otherwise, it shows no and 0%. We also display a welcome message, Digitech Dynamo at startup. As you can see, when the magnet is close, the sensor detects it instantly and updates the display. It's fast, reliable, and super easy to build. This is a great beginner project to learn how magnetic sensors work with Arduino. Try customizing it further by adding a buzzer or triggering other actions when a magnet is detected. If you like this project, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more awesome Arduino ideas.